Alright, so today I have a quick video showing you a couple of bands that I got off Amazon for my Apple Watch Series 5. And basically I got two bands that were like the Sport Loop bands. Now they're not made by Apple, they're knockoffs, but they did seem like good quality and they had good reviews. And then I also got a brown leather band. And overall, all three I'm extremely happy with. So let's just take a closer look at them right here. As you can see, I got one black and one white. They came in a 2-pack, so that kind of saves some money there if you're looking to buy more than one band. And they have a whole bunch of color variety as well, so that way you can choose from the color choices and pick whatever fits your style. I personally like these black and white colors, and I believe they said that those were kind of like the Nike colors. And overall, I have to say they look very nice, as you can see here. And I'll also show them all three bands on the Apple Watch and on my wrist later on in the video, so keep an eye out for that. Now, when you're opening up this brown leather one, what you can see there is that I did choose the buckles and all the metallic parts to be a dark black finish, so that way it kind of matches with my space gray Apple Watch. And as you can see here, the leather does look very nice, and the black finish is very nice as well. I am very happy with how this one turned out. At first, I didn't really like the look of the leather because it did seem a little bit warmer than the picture on Amazon, but I have to say that I am happy with it, especially after it's been worn a little bit and the color has changed a little bit. Now with these bands, these Sport Loop bands, are going to be a little bit nicer than just the typical silicone band that comes with the Apple Watch, and that's because these ones have a little bit more of a stretch to it. They're more elastic, so it's not going to be as tight on your wrist, and that's originally why I got it, because when I'm working out or if I'm going to sleep, I don't like the band to feel too stiff because it does feel a little bit too tight sometimes, and especially when I'm sleeping. And after using these for about a week and a half, I have to say that they've been very comfortable. And in both cases of working out and also sleeping, they've been extremely comfortable. And these bands do cover a wide range of sizes. As you can see here on my wrist, it fits perfectly fine. And I'm going to show it to you on my girlfriend's wrist too. And I'll put our wrist sizes down in the description, so that way you can see the range of wrist sizes that it actually covers. But overall, it looks very nice, as you can see, nice and stretchy. And now you can see it on my girlfriend's wrist. So she has a quite a bit smaller wrist size than me, but it fits her perfectly fine, and the Velcro straps do seem very nice, and I haven't had any issues with it coming off, but I have seen it kind of catch on some things a little bit, and it doesn't fully come off. Maybe like the first strip of Velcro does come off, but just not all of them, so you don't really have to worry about it falling off your wrist. Now with the leather band, what you can see is you just put it in, and I kind of suck at these Apple Watch band installations. I don't know why, I just can't seem to get it on the first try all the time. But with this one, once you get it on, it is very nice and comfortable. I do have a relatively large wrist, so I have to clasp it in on one of the last notches. So it does get a little bit tight there at the end, but I think it's perfectly fine, and it does need to loosen up a bit too. So once you use it a little bit more, it'll loosen up a bit and it'll look a little bit nicer. If you're interested in picking these up, I have the links down in the description. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, as it does help me out a ton. And until next time, don't forget to take it easy with some tea.